Hi everybody. Since I did the unboxing video on my David Austin rose last time, I think everybody love unboxing video, guys. So today I received my bare root from Palatine Rose, which is coming all the way from Canada to Mobile, Alabama. So I bet a lot of you already know about this company, Palatine Rose. They just super. For me, it's a really one of the best quality rose I ever have, and their roses is usually their roses are all grafted on the multiflora rootstock, which is very good for the cold climate area. It's more frost resistant and all that, and actually it's very vigorous for our southern area as well. So so I really like it. I have lots of their roses and they all grow really well. So so I just want to do this unboxing video and show you what I get this year and how they actually looks like. So let's get started. So they come in I have about 6 rows this time, so they come in this real small box. So let's check out how they pack it. It's a big plastic, and I just basically have to pull them out like this. You see that? And let me look at that. Look at how beautiful it is already, and the beautiful roots, very long roots. So let me grab them out of my bag and I will show you each of them nicely. Okay, so as I told you, I have 6 bare root that I ordered for them this time, and I can tell you this year the ordering process is like so dramatic. I never ever had so much drama over ordering roses anywhere, but they just show how much people are crazy about their roses, and for good reason. And let me show you. Just check out the quality of the root here. Do you see how thick are those root right here? Look at all the branches that they got. So I want to talk about a little bit about this. When you receive the cane, you might see some you see how it was some blackened cane up there, and some of them are very thin. I will actually go ahead and trim them down. Okay, so you definitely don't want to keep them in there, because actually it will make it very how should I say, it's going to die back. It's not going to come out with a strong cane or the strong growth or anything like that. It just suck up all the energy from going to new growth or new cane. And I want to show you something right here. You see this little knot right here? So this little knot right here, later on is gonna grow out into a very thick, like strong shoot. And this is the type of shoot that I love to see the most, honestly, because that means you can actually end up with much stronger cane, like a lot more cane, and then it will get really bushy. So like this one, I have one, you know, and then this is, so just let me show you what I got right here. So you see I have more here. Let's check out what do I have from them right now. So this one here, I have Ashley. So Ashley is actually a florist rose from Tantau. So I'm very excited to actually be able to get this, because you know, that means the flower is going to last very long on the bush, and I'm gonna get a much better strong growth like start. So I don't need to really wait, because a lot of the time you buy the small baby plant, you just have to wait for a long time. This right here is, and I think right now the Palatine Rose is the only one that sell this rose in bare root. and this is a Cool Cat. So Cool Cat is a variety that is, I'm pretty sure it was from Palatine Rose itself. Like they are the one that own that rose. So I never really heard of it before. I don't know anybody that grow it as a garden rose. I know the Palatine Rose selling this Cool Cat is a lavender color spray rose. I know they're selling it as their cut flower, as their cut rose. So I really cannot wait to try it and let you guys know how it grow over here. But I'm very, very excited about Cool Cat. And look at the growth on this thing already. Oh dear, it's gonna be so nice, and so many cane. Look at that. I'm very, very, very excited about Cool Cat. And the next one here, this one is sure is Tony. Ugh. Okay, this right here is called Roseraie de Chatelet. So this is actually a French rose, obviously, from NIRP. It's supposed to be a very nice bushy rose, great for landscape because it's supposed to bloom a lot year round. So and again, this one only available from Palatine Rose as well. And then I have this right here is my what is this? It's an old garden rose. This is an old garden rose. It's called Souvenir de la Malmaison. It's a bourbon. I have been wanted to try on this old rose for a while, so I'm not too excited about how thin the cane are. So we're just gonna see. I need to do a bunch of trim on this as well. But well, we shall see. Let's hope it's gonna grow strong for me later on. But yeah, not too excited about how it looks like on this one. And this right here is the Pompon Veranda. Yay! You know, this rose I have been trying to get from Palatine for 3 years now. First year they are out of stock like within a few minutes. Second year I managed to order it, and then later on they say they have a fly in their rose field, and then they cancel my order. So this year I was like, because they're so crazy on the sales, I was like, probably I was not gonna get it, and then I got it because I have two of my roses that are not waking up from them last year and mislabeled. So I was able to order this as a replacement instead. So this is how I got my Pompon Veranda, and I am just absolutely so happy that I got it. And look at how beautiful is this cane. Very tawny, as you can see. Wow, look at those tone. Look at that, right? But the flower is to die for, really. And look at the big strong growth already. I'm so excited. Now this one right here is the Sidonie. So Sidonie is also another old garden rose that I am trying. It has a very beautiful button in the middle. It's a pink rose. I also do not know much about this rose. I'm just trying out. Maybe it's a good surprise, but I feel like their old garden roses are all smaller, which is weird, because the Sidonie and the Souvenir de la Malmaison is about the same, but the root system is really vigorous, as you can see on all of them. Right, so this is my Palatine roses. Of course I'm gonna soak them inside my pond. We're gonna have a very, very cold frost this coming Saturday, so this time I might planted it tomorrow. I think I'm gonna try to plant it tomorrow, because I don't want them to sit in my pond through the frost. You can see they've already started to have a lot of new growth, so I just don't want them to start their growth in my water throughout the frost. So we shall see. And yep, well, hopefully you are excited as I do for my Palatine order. And honestly, I have been really good self-control this year in ordering roses from them, because all the previous year I ordered like 20 roses or 30 roses from them. I was so crazy. But you know, I already have a lot of roses in my garden, so I'm more careful in selecting the roses that I do not have, so that, or it's hard to get, just so that, you know, I can kind of review them for everybody that wants to get it. So there you go. Here it is. Hopefully it helps, and share with me if you get anything from Palatine as well and how yours looks like. Bye.